evening. All right, market's off again, let's just say generically about 0.5% across the board. More China talks, them saying that they have a bit of a stranglehold on the rare earths, which are vital to the tech sector. So if they start putting the clamps on that, that's another chip that they can make, no pun intended. We're looking at a number of possibles. Man, Nike was a nice short yesterday that we didn't get. Let's see what happens there. We'll look at that to the downside. Grub, eBay, Etsy, Skyworks, NTAP, SPLK, possibly setting up on a technical basis to the upside. Roku, maybe Workday, Amazon.